My teeth look fucking yellow. Look at them. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna do a really springy purple lavender lilac wash of color. It's super duper easy. It's really flattering on pretty much every eye color, especially if you have brown eyes. It will look amazing on you. So if you want to see how I put this together, just hang out. Whoa, but wait, before we get into today's video, don't forget, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I put out a new video every Thursday at noon Eastern Standard Time, and you can also follow me on all the socials. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, we are very close. Hey. So for this look, we're doing just a pretty wash of color, and we're not doing anything too detailed. There's no cut crease, there's no major color differences. It's just tone on tone. So we're gonna use the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and there's no names or numbers to these colors, right? No, there isn't. There's no names or numbers to these colors, so I'll just show you. So we're gonna use this really pretty lilac color and then this deeper purple. I've already primed my lid, and what I used for primer is just concealer, and then I've over top of that used like a skin toned shadow just to set it and then smooth the lid so that the blending could be really easy. I'm also going to be using the Urban Decay Naked Basics Ultimate Basics palette. I want to go into this color right here, Tempted. It looks much darker on camera, but it's almost like a cement color. I'm going to just take it on a fluffy crease brush, just a little bit. Okay, tap off the extra, and then tilt my head back so you can see my boogers. And I'm just gonna carve out the crease, and really it's just sort of a map for the color. So you'll notice I don't want this to come up too high, so I'm creating like a boundary, kind of. I'm also gonna take just a little bit underneath. You know what I've noticed is not a lot of people get super duper close. I mean, there are some beauty channels, some tutorial channels that get right here. I think that's really cool. I think this is pretty good. What's disappointing to me is when someone is showing you an eyeshadow look and they're like way back here. Like on my chins. I want to see the look, right? And I know you do too. Next, I'm gonna take just an eyeshadow packing brush. This is from e.l.f. and I'm going to tap right into that light lilac color and then pack it on the lid. So see, you can get really a lot of color on there, so it's really pretty, and I'm only on the mobile lid. I didn't go any higher. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of it also and run it underneath. The wind is really whipping around here today. There's like some kind of nor'easter brewing. Oh, my lights are flickering. We're going to take that first brush again, go into the deepest color, and just in the outer corner and the socket. Windshield wiper motions in that crease. We're just deepening the crease and deepening the color. Somebody's out there with a leaf blower. Spoiler alert, the wind is blowing. You're wasting your time, friend, and you're ruining my video. And on this inner part by the brow, I like to take it a little bit higher. In this outer tail area, the outer corner, you're kind of bringing it to a little bit of a point here, but very subtle. I'm not doing a winged eyeliner or anything like that today. You could very easily put that on this look and it will look awesome. I'm going to take a flat definer brush, tap it into that deepest purple tone, and just stamp it right on the lower lash line. Be careful in this outer edge. We're connecting the color, but I don't want to make it too dark and droopy in that outer corner because it could make my eye look smaller and downturned, which looks good on nobody. I'm going to take my highlighter that I use. This is Too Faced Candlelight Glow in Rosy Glow. This is a two-tone. I've showed you this before. I tried to depot it and I just ruined it. It is wrecked. But it's still in there. It's good. I like it. So I'm going to take this tiny little pencil brush into the lighter side. There's like a, two tones. Take the lighter side, and I'm going to use that for my inner corner highlight. You guys, do you remember in the last video when I showed you this Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny Mascara? Yo! It is so good. so good. I am really loving it. It doesn't smudge at all. The color is really nice. The brush is awesome. I'm on the struggle bus with the bottom lashes, but this really does it. So I'm gonna use this on the bottom. It's so good, it's so good. Then I'm going to give a quick coat of mascara, and then for lashes, we're gonna use these Ardell Foam Ink 812s. I love them, these are my faves. Let's do this. There's glue all over my eyelid. Awesome. Okay, now with a little bit of liquid liner, this is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. I'm gonna just run it just on that inner corner of my lash line. That should work. Let's zoom out. Okay, so this is the finished look. It's very easy to do, goes on really fast, super duper wearable, and if you had brown eyes, oh my gosh, this color would look amazing on you. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. If you liked it, please tell me with a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know in the comments below. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye! Ah! I'll tell you what does not look good on camera is my face. Psst, I just want to remind you. There's a big bad wolf. He's outside trying to blow my house down. Oh, guys, you cannot come in. Okay, by the hair of my chinny chin chin. Summery, springy, it's not summery. Don't forget to subscribe to